Making wet wipes. Quick and easy. The down and dirty on how to do it. Down and dirty. Get the play on words. So, there's a wet wipe. Easy as you please. Use select a size paper towels. I cut them in half with a scissor. You could rip them, it don't matter. Take a container with some clean water in it. I take literally 2 drops of dish soap or any type of soap. This is dish soap refill. Smells amazing. And then I put essential oils in it. I'm going to use On Guard. And I'll probably put 6 to 8 drops of the On Guard in there. And the key is not to use too much water. So I'll probably do both these containers and a bunch more paper towels. And I won't use all that water because you don't want them to be saturated. You want them to just be slightly moist. So literally you're paying for paper towels, a couple drops of essential oil, and a drop of dish soap. So make your own wet wipes. It'll be fun. That's what they said. It'll be fun. And by the way, these wet wipes are good. They're antibacterial, and you can use them to wipe off your hands, wipe your butts when you go to the bathroom. Depending on your toilet setup, you may or may not want to flush them. And you can wipe your countertops with them. You can wipe your pups off with them. Anything you want. All right. So there you go. How to make wet wipes. Quick and easy and money saving.